Hey guys, great news. I just found the new update of Subway Surfers on Google. That says save the date January 7th. That's a bit space update. They're celebrating the new year of 2021. That's my first video in 2021. Sorry I haven't made a video for a while because I was having fun for Christmas and the new year. That's why. So here it looks like it's Rabbit, the Easter special. That looks like Rabbit, the Easter special. So do you think Rabbit will have like a new outfit? We'll find out soon when the update comes. That looks a bit like Fresh's boombox. Fresh's boombox. So do you think it's a new Fresh? So not like Festive Fresh, another one. So let's see when's the update. That's a bit like Rabbit also. Let's see the other one. Yeah, it's a bit the same of this. Yeah, this thing. I think it's Rabbit. And this looks like Tankbot, Boombot, or Tankbot. It's a bit like Boombot. That's all the information I have. Bye.